So today we're going to accompany Jo. If you don't remember, she's my friend who's really good at dancing, guys. So why exactly we are going with her and where is she headed? Well, here's the story. She's staying in a boarding house near our school, and right now she's all alone because her board mates went home and she got bitten by a rat. Yes, you heard that right. No, not once but twice. Though not at the same time. So no wonder, guys, she's not feeling well right now. So we're heading to the Animal Bite Center, guys, or ABC, to have her checked. And of course, what you do at the ABC, you get injected. So she needs to get her shots right away. So we're going with her for support, guys. Let me see, though. Ano lang yung open na yun? Gamay naman na. I'm sure the brush looks like that. Di ba, injection? Yun ang mahadlok ka. Send to Mama Mia. Ay. Wow, chili ra siya, oh. So, she's finally done with her injection, guys. They gave her an anti-tetanus shot and she said her arms feels a bit numb and heavy after the job. But honestly, guys, you wouldn't even notice. Just look at her. She's so chill. We even made a TikTok trend. Not a dance though, just a cute type. Because, well, the only one thing she has with her today is me, the cute ones. Charot. Charot lang.
Ano, ulit to? Tingnan to 60 dito. Dapat nilargo doon. Bago na ito dapat. Ito sa camera ka na. Ano ba? Balik. Ay, nahubo. Thank you sa gift. Welcome. Ano eh? Rin ako.
Di man, ang kanang chicken kay pagmati.
Wala lang.
Ang chicken kay pagpase na sa fans sa kanang. For example, kay chicken, kay po lang 5 million. Sige siya pagawas. Pero na-deduct sa ulo. Nakuha sa mga tanmo.
Muna yung Rogo agad siya ga-vaksinan eh. Ano ba ito ko sa'yo mo? 60 na dapat.
Pwede na siya kasunod. Miss na may
balik ka dito sa'yo pa balik sa'yo dito siya dapat tiganat pamin ha apat largo patay sa slow mo hindi ba slow mo lang kailas ato hindi pwede slow mo lang ikindi pero parang ito gipang ang laro mo na dito doon sa kobi ang kaling pamagi ka rin 1, 2 diba 1, 2, 3 uno ikas 1, 2, 3 uno lawas deh, pamutra lawas pamagyan ano 1, 2, 3 asa pamita practice 1, 2, 3 go and 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 okay pusing-pusing sa kamera kira okay Hindi ako walk-it. Alis ka na lapit-lapit eh.
Pero
Okay, good. Nilisin mo, tabi-tabi ka na lang. Ako takong space.
Please, asa kayo
Gamit yung space ba?
Ma'am, napalpagsutan, ma'am. Madali lang kayo.
Alam mo naman ako. Tignan ko lang yung para din namin tayo. Oh, ito. Alam mo, ito. 200, di Palawan. Tawag ko to, ba? Kakawa. Date, ang tagato. Masapit. Dapat siyulog ka.
pero
Madali na yan. Wala dyan kong sikilat ko ba dapat may swag-iswag kaya ako. Ano, nakatustis ganito ko. Ito kasi mo landscape namin. Ito lang editan. Ito yung dito. Ito na lang. Ano na lang.
Ako na. Ako kay Dagneji kung dakong space char.
Kailan naman nagka-drop. Atas dari may atas tayo. Ay, pang nata. Ano dari?
Abin ako. Sorry. Diba tayo ko ba niya dyan? Mabit tayo sa transfer eh. Sa podcast.
So now we're heading to meet one of our former classmates because we need to pick up the fabric of our uniforms. We still have to get them tailored and we need the uniforms ready by the first week of December. It's kind of a busy day for us, but at least we're getting things done one step at a time. We didn't only pick up our own fabric, we also grabbed Jules and PS. They weren't able to come because they were busy, so we went ahead and collected theirs too. Don't worry girls, we handle it for you. Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and don't forget to look after your health. See you in the next video.